allows us to go to a place we never could go to without the guide. The guide helps us get there, and the guide, with God's hand on our shoulder, will put us on to fish.
A lot of our rivers are smaller and kind of, designed to be walked and wade through, and you can fish dry flies, nymphs. You're never really fishing an indicator with a double nymph rig. We don't really have that around here unless you're floating the tailwaters, which I feel lucky to be a part of. I think it's an intimate way to fish and get to know the rivers and the area you're in.
It's got cinnamon rolls and hot coffee. So we're going on in.
That's the biggest cinnamon roll I've ever seen.